Hello everyone, so today I'm going to make this sweater, the ugly sweater, into an uglier sweater. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So I'm going to put these eyes on the eyes of this bear so that it looks weird kind of. And then I'm going to add some more additional decorations as well to this sweater because I want to make it uglier. So for the eyes though, I'm going to use the glue gun, and you can also connect with me through my other social media if you want to see pictures of what I do, like my Instagram and Twitter and Facebook as well. All that information is in the description box below for you. So I'm just gonna glue these eyes, and then I will show you what additional stuff that I'm gonna add. You can add a lot of stuff. You can add shiny stuff if you want. Today I'm going to use these pom-pom balls that I got from Dollar Tree. And they are different colors. They did have black ones as well, but I didn't use them because black on black you will not see them. So I'm just going to stitch these balls of different sizes in the spaces of this black area on the sweater wherever. So that's it. That's going to be it. So I'll show you how it all looks in a bit. So first I will just show you what I'm gonna do. Like I said, I'm gonna stitch. So I'm going to use this needle. It's very a thin one, and I'm going to put a double thread and then tie it at the end so it doesn't come out of the needle, which I hate. So this is what I always do, and I'm just gonna use that ball and I'm gonna show you. So turn it around and just do a few stitches, and that will be it for that ball, and then I'm going to do that for all of them, and that will be it really. So I hope you like it. You can actually add bells or other shiny material if you would like to add to it to make it uglier, and you can find all sorts of things in Dollar Tree, or you can really like cut a piece of flannel in the shape of a hat or in the shape of a bell, or even a candy cane, and stick it into your ugly sweater. So it's very easy, but it's going to be fun and textured, and things are coming out that you will not wear on a normal daily basis. So this is how it looks when it's done, and this is how it looks when someone wears it. So there you go. So this is the ugly sweater, and this is how it used to look like, and this is how it is now. So I really hope you like it, and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give that thumbs up down below and like it, and leave a comment for me as well. So if you would like to buy products with this bear on, check out the Redbubble shop link in the description box below. And now I put some next videos for you to check out next as well. I hope you like those as well. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And if you have any questions, comments, or if you want me to do something, let me know in the comments below. I will try to do that for you if I can. See you next time. Bye.